Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to back up all your chats on WhatsApp. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the WhatsApp application and open that up. Once you're on the WhatsApp application, you could just head to the bottom right corner where you see settings. You want to click on settings, and then you can go ahead and click on chats. And then here you'll notice that you have three options: chat wallpapers, save to camera roll, and chat backup. So you can just click on chat backup. And then here you could set up auto backups if you want. So if you want it to consistently back up throughout your days and weeks, you can go ahead and set that up. And if you want to include videos, you do have to toggle that. Otherwise, once you've decided what you want to do for those two settings, you could just click on backup now. And then it will just take a moment to back up your chats, obviously depending on how much chats you have. On this account right here, I have nothing, so it should only take a couple seconds here. As you can see, it's pretty well done already. But yeah, it's very easy to do backups on your WhatsApp. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.